the seal under my door is worn and broken. I'll be replacing it. Please don't forget to give us a like, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. This is definitely broken. It's bad enough that air can get under here, but so can bugs. My wife hates bugs. I definitely need to replace it. I'll show you how to replace it with a new one. First, I need to remove the door. This one is stapled on. I'll need to remove the staples to get it off.
There we go.
A chisel works pretty good for the stubborn staples. Okay, now this new weather strip will clip on the bottom of the door. It's tight because it doesn't require any screws, and will hold itself on. Now just cut the top to the right length.
Really?
Now that you have the new weather strip secure, put the door back on its hinges. And that's it. You're all done. Thank you for watching this video. If it was helpful, then please throw us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.